What's up, Coco Cuties? Welcome back to my channel, Brown Sugar Coco. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you some quick last minute Halloween costumes. So let's get right into it. All right, here's the first quick Halloween costume. You just throw on a cheetah romper. You can have a cheetah dress. Whatever you got this cheetah, throw it on, honey, and you a cheetah all of a sudden. Okay, I got this from Shein. I think it was like $7, $8 or so. Okay, and then I got a little cheetah set from off of Amazon. It was the ears, the tail, and the little bow. Let's go ahead and put this on real quick. Rawr. Rawr. Cheetah-licious. Okay. I couldn't get the tail on quite. I need like a safety pin or something because it comes like this. And I just can't get that on. So I just need a safety pin. So imagine. And we gotta get the boots in here. Hold on, let's get the boots in here. You know. All right, let's get into the next outfit. So, you could also be a sexy cow. I got this from Shein. And then I got the little set from Amazon. The ears, the bow, and the tail. Let's go ahead and put that on real quick. So, this is what it looks like. Oh, look at these little ears. Like, how cute is that? Moo, shumakel, shumakel. I don't meow, shumakel. I go moo, moo. I'm too smooth. Yes, sexy cow. And it's a Winnie. Okay. And I was actually able to put this one on top here. And it can just be like that with the tail. Or you can get a clip to like pin it there. But I think this is adorbs. Sexy little cow. Moo.